The angelic hosts, they cheer and sing when they see the boys in red. From memory clouds of times gone by run out the lads long dead. Their earthly toils extinguished, yet their hearts live on up there, playing heaven's rugby in their world without a care. No more the mud and rain and the little valley field. No more the groaning of defeat that time seems ne'er to heal. We are all the same here, Bach, therefore we give our prayer to thank God for our memories in a world without a care. In the place where all the brave lads go, where they play with all their hearts and souls, gone but not forever, one day we'll watch them there, playing heaven's rugby in a world without a care. The wallabies and all blacks, the springboks, all are there, mixing with the boyos from the pub of eternal beer. Don't mourn for them, good friends, but just look up and stare. They're playing heaven's rugby in their world without a care. In the place where all the brave lads go, where they play with all their hearts and souls, gone but not forever, one day we'll watch them there, playing heaven's rugby in a world without a care. The bread of heaven piled up high until we want no more. Results don't matter there, you know, no one has to score. Our lads will keep a welcome, waiting till you're there, watching heaven's rugby in their world without a care. Your seat is free, your name is cast, one day you'll join them there. You'll meet old friends and family, and soon we'll all come clear. Dance on the graves they'll bear, no ill, fear not, they want you there, to watch them playing rugby in their world without a care. In the place where all the brave lads go, where they play with all their hearts and souls, gone but not forever, one day we'll watch them there, playing heaven's rugby, playing heaven's rugby, playing heaven's rugby in a world